Hello from Oldham Volkswagen, my name is Dylan and today I'm going to be showing you around this approved used Volkswagen vehicle. The T-Roc R-Line 2.0 TSI 4Motion and a whopping 190 PS comes available in the deep black pearl finish and it looks remarkable. The car is currently available at Oldham Volkswagen with upgraded features that do include the black design pack. The car has just one previous owner, so you can be rest assured it's been well maintained. As you can see with the black design pack, you get the 18-inch black Arlo diamond turned surface alloy wheels which complement the exterior finish well, offering a sporty look. Powerful mirrors which do fold in when locked provide safety for the vehicle, minimising the risk of damaging them. And a fairly spacious boot capacity big enough to fit stuff like a pram inside there when you take advantage of the additional height and storage space underneath. You have ISO fixed points in the back for rear child seats, cup holders in the centre console and USB-C inputs in the back there for fast charging. The multifunction steering wheel gives access to the active info display, but we'll touch on this a little bit later. And around you can see we have the Soul Flint Grey and titanium black interior upholstery with the R-Line embroidery on the seats. The panoramic sunroof offers a diverse and dynamic driving experience, offering access to fresh air and light alongside a skyline view, perfect for the summer occasion, and this is an upgraded feature to the vehicle. The multifunction steering wheel also incorporates DSG shift paddles for manual gear changing, and on the dashboard display it shows key information like our navigation, driving data and telephone. And we also have a heated functionality which is upgraded to the vehicle, as this is the heated multifunction steering wheel with the tiptronic as well, and it is also leather wrapped. To the left hand side we also have features like the adaptive cruise control to offer a safe and consistent speed whilst travelling on the motorway, ensuring confidence, safety and a layer of comfort. Over to the infotainment screen, there's a wide array of different options to choose from, an entire driving mode selection with the 4 different driving modes to offer a tailored experience. For example, Eco is a bit more fuel efficient, while Sport offers a performance-based drive, and as we go into the other driving modes, you can see we have off-road and snow driving modes as well, as the car is a 4-wheel drive vehicle. You feel much more confident driving in any terrain. Park Distance Control offers the front and back parking sensors to fill yourself with confidence and safety in every manoeuvre, and ensures that we minimise the risk of damaging the car in any way. This is great for places like shopping centres where traditionally it is a little bit tight. As we do pop the car in reverse, you will notice you gain access to the upgraded rear view camera as well, ensuring confidence and safety on every manoeuvre, minimising the risk of damaging that car. And lastly, we also have the heated seats with 3 different heat intensities to choose from, offering a cozier winter experience. These are separately controlled, so there's no arguments there, and you also gain access to a futuristic dual climate control functionality. Simply allows you to swipe your finger across or synchronize it with a master switch on the driver's side. On the approved used vehicle. This vehicle does come with a minimum of 2 years Volkswagen approved used warranty alongside 2 years roadside assistance and much more. To learn more about the vehicle or book yourself in for a test drive, please get in touch on 0161 825 8520. We're more than happy to provide more information or book online today.